Hi, I'm Julie from Thermomix, and today we're making licorice ice cream. We're going to use 2 Thermomix bowls and a Breville scoop ice cream maker. This is a custard-based ice cream, and we start by heating the milk, cream and the soft licorice. The full recipe is on my website and the links are in the description. Here we are just taking the finished ice cream out of the Breville ice cream maker and putting it in a container for freezing.
Oh my god. I've got licorice on my hands. Oh.
Too much licorice?
No, that is perfect and it's just so creamy.
If you enjoyed this recipe, like, subscribe and turn on notifications for Thermomix.